I'm making two yummy, delicious, heartwarming, stomach-filling, chunky soup recipes. Earlier I shared creamy soup recipes without any dairy, vegan creamy soup recipes. You can watch that video. And today I'm making two soup recipes using electric pressure cooker. You can use your instant pot for this recipe, and it is really quick and easy and yet very yummy. So let's begin. Electric pressure cooker is minestrone soup, all-time favorite. Take quarter cup of kidney beans, wash really well and soak overnight. First, use saute function for about 10 to 15 minutes in your electric pressure cooker. Heat up a tablespoon of oil. Add onion and saute for a little bit. Salt to taste. Pepper as per your taste. Red pepper flakes as per your preference. Then vegetables like celery, carrot, green beans, potato, and mushrooms. Next, add minced garlic. And here I have canned diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomato if desired, and pasta of your choice. Kidney beans soaked overnight, vegetable stock, or you can use simply water, dried mixed Italian herbs. And by this time your saute function should be over and ready to set up for soup. You can use soup function or you can use beans function for preparing this recipe. After 25 minutes, when the soup is done, release the pressure manually, or you can let it release the pressure naturally and open and look at the soup. Our minestrone soup is ready. I simply love minestrone soup. Bubbling, yummy looking soup. Just be sure that kidney beans are cooked well and the soup is ready to be served. My next soup is going to be chickpea and noodle soup. Really yummy and delicious. I have here overnight soaked chickpeas, garbanzo beans basically, and I'm going to use ramen noodle. You can use Maggi noodles, any of your favorite instant noodle, or even the noodle that takes a little longer time to cook. You can use those. My favorites are oriental flavor and chili flavor, but you can certainly use your favorite flavor. I'm just going to use one pack of noodle for 4 servings. First, use saute function for about 10 to 15 minutes in your electric pressure cooker. Heat up a tablespoon of oil. Add onion, salt, and saute onion for a little bit. Add garlic. Next, add carrot, celery, and mushrooms, chickpeas soaked overnight, noodles, vegetable stock, or simply you can use water, black pepper, paprika, or you can use cayenne pepper, diced tomato. Give this all a very good mix. I'm going to go ahead and add ramen noodle seasoning as well, but it's really up to you. You can discard or use in some other recipes. But I absolutely love the flavor of ramen noodles seasoning. Cover it And by this time your saute function should be over and ready to set up for soup. You can use soup function or you can use beans function for preparing this recipe. The cooking function is over and the soup is ready to serve. Release the pressure manually and open the cooker carefully. Look at the soup. Give it a stir. Amazing. I simply love this soup. Just make sure chickpeas are cooked well and they break easily, so they are done and the soup is ready to serve. I usually prefer to garnish with spinach, baby spinach. Give it a stir one more time and you can add more water if needed to adjust the soup consistency, but this is how I like mine. So I am ready to take out into the soup bowl. Yum! I simply love the look of chickpea and noodle soup. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try out. The aroma is so wonderful. And who wouldn't love ramen noodles? Even your kids may try this soup recipe. So this is a must try soup recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell on your YouTube channel, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please do like and comment below. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thank you for watching and see you soon.